Oh, good morning. Tuna receipt printer service error installation error ka resolve down kan han try kan ron show do na to lo eng lo vek don ya. We have been facing the receipt printer service installation error in some of the offices. So I'm going to show you the how to resolve that one. Firstly, this is the error that come. Receipt printer service receipt printer service failed to start. Verify that you have sufficient privileges to start system service. Okay. Now for this, you have to push Windows R. In your keyboard, there is a Windows symbol, Windows R. Then this will come up. Now you type gpedit.msc. Then press enter. Now here you go to Windows settings. Now next go to security settings. Next go to local policies. Now here you select user right assignments. Now search for logon as service, this one, logon as service. Double click. Now here the user ID will come. You select add user group, then click advanced. Here you click find now on the right side, find now. Here all the users under your computer will come. Hemi user song kha tayan ron lang don ta ni chuan kan select tur chu hemi kan computer login a kan man administrator MOWEG mo ber kha khoi mo ni username kha ta na lang ang Windows 11 a chuan hei administrator ni van tain administrator kan etang hemi administrator hi administrator danga omlova. And also you search for the, actually here you select the user in which you used to log on the Windows. Administrator will most likely, in most of the fields it will be administrator. Now click administrator, click OK, again OK. Now apply, OK. Now you do the receipt printer installation here, this one. Okay, I sent you the latest one in WhatsApp. Please see in the CBS group. CBS group athar ber hai mi receipt printer service ti thar ber kat ti kha ilo try don ya. Oh hello me